Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Assistive Touch and what is it on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on all the iPhones and all the versions of the iOS. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to swipe down to find accessibility, click on this one, and then you want to go to the touch. And here on the top you are going to find Assistive Touch, so let's click on this one and then click on. Now as you can see, the little dot, something like, appeared on the screen. Now if you drag it, you can place it wherever you want to, but you need to place it on the top, on the right or left side of your screen. After just leaving your phone, this is going to, be a little bit more visible to the screen. And now if you touch it, you're going to find some options right here. So if you click Siri, now the Siri is going to be on. So then if you go to the notification center, the notification center is going to swipe down. If you're going to click again, it is going to be turned off. Then if you go to the custom, you can add something right here. So hold and drag, pinch and rotate, as you can see, double tap. And also you can add some actions, some gestures. I'm not going to do this right now. Also, you have the device option, and here you are going to volume up, volume down, lock screen, rotate screen, unmute. If you're going to click more, you have reachability, gestures, shake, app switcher, screenshot, SOS, restart. So if you speak, for example, app switcher, this is going to open the app switcher, as you can see. So this is something that makes you a little bit, if you have a small hand, for example, you can use this Assistive Touch to get to, for example, notification center, or just to use the iPhone with one hand only. So to turn off the Assistive Touch, you just need to do the same steps. So go to the settings, let me just go back, then go to the accessibility, then go to the touch, and then go to the Assistive Touch and just turn off this feature. And now this little dot is going to go off from the screen. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.